Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Come and join with me unboxing some barista tools to making coffee. I ordered from Taobao, so let's go and unbox it, see what's inside. I ordered. It's a tools for making coffee or latte. So big. So I ordered this because I went to school for barista, so I decided to order some machine practice how to make coffee. So maybe one day I have a coffee shop. So let's see what's in this one. This is a towel for wiping of spilled coffee if you make coffee. Towel. Only one. This one. One towel for wiping coffee. And what is this? What is this? You might be like it or maybe interested. So that's why I'm sharing with you guys. This is latte cup art. See? If you make latte, this is art, cup coffee latte art. This one, small. This is a small spoon. Okay. So this is the towel and the coffee, cup coffee latte art. Next is I'm excited. Oh no, what's this? Oh, scale, guys. This is the scale. If you make espresso, you have to use a scale. You have to scale there how many grams you want to do. For espresso, you have to, before you make a latte, you have to do espresso. So you have to do scaling, guys. This is scale. Coffee scale. We say whether what is inside, whether correct. Yeah, this is it. So this is the scale. This is the scale coffee. So this is charged, rechargeable coffee scale. It's digital. So digital. This is digital coffee scale. So next is, because you cannot make any good coffee if you don't have all these things. So if you are good makers, then you know you still have to. So this is an espresso holder, espresso tools holder stamper. This one, but we need to check inside what is inside here, so you know what's inside. I'm excited because I just got passed on my barista, so that's why I ordered this thing. This is tools. We see what's inside here. Oh, this is all the tools for coffee. Oh no, this is brush. After you grind the coffee, you have to brush this. And what is this more? A coffee filter. There's a coffee filter here, guys. Coffee filter. Coffee filter. What is this? Same. Move there. Get up. And this for the stamper. After you make a coffee, you grind the coffee, put into, where is it? This one. This one, guys. this one? Wait, no, this one. Is this correct? It's the stamper. Stamper, this is the stamper, guys. After you making a coffee, oh, this is the stamper. You stamp like this. Oh, I see. Yeah, this is the stamper. This stamper, guys. You press the coffee. You don't have the individual one. So this is the stamper, the coffee, put here, the brush, thing put here, and this one. What is this? I don't have the thing here. Also, and oh, this is also for the coffee things. So this is all that's all. I don't have only the stamper, and then now we go to the big thing. See, this is the coffee stamper is in here. Don't have the big one. I don't know what's in here. You see, it's a coffee filter too. So yeah, we done this. This is the coffee machine. I hope it's not. Oh no, the other way around. Oh boy. So this is our coffee machine. This is our coffee machine. See, we can use espresso. This is for espresso. Before you make latte coffee, you can make espresso first, then latte. Alright, we will see inside this whether correct. Oh no, why ayan na guys. Oh no. Ayan na guys, my coffee machine is here. See? Oh, it's like this guys. You see that? That's my coffee. Let's see. Does this have comes with that thing? I just want to check whether correct. Oh, this one guys, see? So you make a coffee, put the coffee here, and then I put it here. Where is it? Here. From 8 to 6. Oh, there, diba? Okay, here you go guys. This is my coffee machine guys. My new coffee machine. All the water is behind. Ito na siya guys. Yung pinaka-mini naman. See? Oh, I love it. Ito na guys. Coffee machine. See? There you go. See? Here, put water. On and off. Pareho. So, ayun. Pababong siya. Dito coffee. Oh boy. Okay, I'm excited to use now. Oh my god. I can't believe it. Okay guys. We gotta try it. Thank you guys. I'm just excited. That's why I share with you guys. Thank you so much. Those who didn't subscribe, please subscribe, like, and share, please. Thank you guys. I love you all. God bless.